Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a stunning 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Guys, I'm going to apologize. You can see it's snowing. Unfortunately, welcome to Michigan. We got a little break in the action on the weather here, but now the snow's blowing off the roof here, so we're going to try to get this doggone thing advertised where you guys can at least get a decent look at the car. But just a killer car. I think it's 278 miles on a complete body-up restoration. Super slick Tuxedo black paint. This thing is straight as can be. Just gorgeous paint on it. It's a resto mod. It's got an LS1 EFI engine underneath the hood. Tremec 5-speed manual trans. Very nicely done, man. This car, it sucks that the weather's not nice where we can run it down the road, because this thing rocks, man. Whoever buys this, you're going to have a blast with this car. 17-inch billet wheels. It's got the billet SS rally wheels on it. Killer cowl hood. That's just a good looking car right there. Chrome and stainless is nice. Couple little marks as you look at it, but not a whole lot to really pick on this car right here. This car is slick. Great sound. Killer little hot rod, man. Just a couple little fingerprints. Those will wipe right off, guys. Dash is nice in there. Yeah, I wanted to shoot this thing yesterday, but we just can't get a break with the weather right now. Little blemish you can see, if you can see it in there right there, but killer car, man. Got some meats on the back, nice and straight down the sides. New bumpers. That is a good looking little Nova right there. I love the billets. Car sits down, it looks good. Front disc brakes, dual chrome mirrors. Yeah, this thing sounds great too, man. It's LS1 EFI engine, aluminum heads. It's got custom stainless headers on it. Really nice aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's a Tremec 5-speed manual trans with a hydraulic clutch. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Car hits the road great, sounds good. This kind of car, man, when you pull into a car show, it just makes a statement, man. This is kind of where my heart is, man. I love the little hot rod stuff. I like stuff with some sound and some thump and a little bit of horsepower. Thank you. Little marks there on the trim there. New mirrors, new window fuzzies. These look like new door handles, but we got a couple more marks on them. New door trim. Door rubbers. Looks like all new to you. It's got Pro Car. Those are all adjustable bucket seats. Whew, that wind blowing. Whew. New sill plate. New carpet. Headliner looks good. Tilt column with the sports steering wheel. It's got the Dakota custom gauge cluster in there. All the gauges are nice and clean. You can see all that. Dash looks good. Aftermarket radio. It's got custom center console with a Hurst shifter. It's got a stainless X-pipe dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. 10-bolt 355 limited slip rear axle with cowl tracks, suspension, and Calvert Racing adjustable shocks on the rear. Probably should have put some gloves on. My doggone hands are freezing here. Trunk's nice, all spackle coated. This is a turn the key, take it right to the car show kind of car right there. Nice underneath. As always, there's photos of all the cars on our website. Your hand's about froze. Yeah, Pro Car Sport seats. Those are really nice. They're all adjustable. Oops. I laid it back too far, but very, very nice. Somebody is going to have a blast with this thing. Nasty little LS1, man. This thing hits good. Great sound out the back, quiet up back here. It sits nice and low. I mean, man, that car is just killer. $278 miles. You can see all the gauges are functional, good oil pressure. Smoke blowing off the roof here. Backup lights do work. Car hits good. Radio works, blower motor works. Man, my hands are doggone froze. Woo. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.